It's like the best thing ever. Cheese and gravy.
Hey everyone, I'm Sav and this is Lagom Eats. It's a few days away from Thanksgiving and I know you guys are all still shopping and prepping for the big meal, but quite possibly my favorite part about Thanksgiving is all the leftovers that we have after. So today I'm gonna show you 2 leftover turkey sandwiches. We're gonna do a Thanksgiving version of the Cuban Reuben and the Croque Madame. Let's get cooking. So notice I didn't go over the ingredient list. We're just gonna make some quick leftover sandwiches, but I will still link the recipe in the description below. So we're gonna start with our Cuban Reuben. We're gonna need to make our Russian dressing. We're gonna use about a 1/4 cup of mayo. We'll put about a tablespoon of ketchup in here. We're gonna use about a tablespoon of horseradish. And hopefully you still have some leftover gravy. We're gonna use a tablespoon of this. Squeeze a little bit of lemon juice. We'll mix it up. All right, and we'll season with salt and pepper to taste. All right, we're gonna mix our sauerkraut. We'll take a couple tablespoons of sauerkraut and mix it with about a tablespoon of cranberry sauce. Mix that in. So we've got a little bit of leftover French loaf. We're going to spread a little mustard on the bottom. We'll layer our turkey, and I just heated this in the oven at 350 with a little bit of stock. Spread on your cranberry sauerkraut. Also, if you have some leftover ham, this would be great on this too. We'll put on a slice of Swiss cheese, some pickles. Spread our Russian dressing on this side. Go ahead and close that up. We're gonna brush it with a bit of melted butter on top. All right, and we're going to wrap this up in foil. We're gonna put this on a pan. And then you wanna put something heavy on top, like a cast iron. This kind of acts as a sandwich press. If you have one of those, you can do that instead. We're gonna bake this at 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. So while our Cuban Reuben's in the oven, let's make our Croque Madame. We've got some leftover stuffing here. If your stuffing has eggs, you don't have to add an egg. Mine doesn't, so we're gonna add an egg to this. It's gonna help keep it together. Just go ahead and mix it in. Now this is the perfect sandwich for breakfast or brunch as well. Now we're gonna make some stuffing waffles with this, but our waffle iron is still heating up. We'll make our cranberry mustard now. Take a tablespoon or so of cranberry sauce, about a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and just mix it together. Now instead of a bechamel sauce, we're gonna make a cheesy gravy. So we'll turn on our stove to like medium. Got some gravy in here, we'll let that heat up. All right, we're gonna add in some Gruyere cheese into this. Get nice and melty. All right, our waffle iron is all heated up. We're going to put in our stuffing to make some stuffing waffles. Ooh, it is hot. All right, we'll let those cook. All right, Our stuffing waffle is done. We're going to spread a little bit of this cranberry mustard on it. We're going to layer a few pieces of turkey on top. And we'll ladle a bit of our cheesy gravy on it as well. And then we're going to sprinkle some more of this Gruyere cheese on top. All right, now we're going to broil this in the oven. All right, so while that's broiling, we're gonna fry our egg really quick. And use a little bit of melted butter. All right, we'll crack in our egg. Sprinkle it with a little bit of salt, little pepper, and we'll let it cook until the whites are set, but the yolk is still runny. All right, so we've got our Cuban Reuben and our Croque Madame. Let's go ahead and taste these. This one is a fork and knife kind of sandwich. That runny egg yolk, oh my gosh, looks amazing. Whoa. I mean, it's so good. You've got leftover stuffing and turkey, gravy. I mean, it uses all our favorite leftovers from Thanksgiving and it turns it into something totally new so it doesn't feel like you're eating just leftovers for days. All right, let's try this Cuban Reuben. Got all those layers. It's a little crispy on the outside. All right, let's take a bite. You can't go wrong with this one either. Got a bit of tanginess from the pickles and the mustard, a bit of spicy from that Russian sauce, a little bit of sweetness from the cranberry sauce. It's just so good. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed my Thanksgiving leftover sandwiches. Both recipes can be found on my food blog at logofmeats.com. I've got new delicious dishes coming out every week, so hit a like and subscribe below. I'll see you guys next time. Hey-do.